if you've been following me at all, you know I've been getting some new socks by Randy Son, and so I figured I'd try this version as well. These ones here are going to be some little taller socks than the other ones, and something a little different. I figured let's go see what we got here for like skiing or something, you know. I don't think I'll be wearing these on a daily basis, but you see, look at these, and they're waterproof. See, this is the great thing about the Randy Son stuff. It's waterproof socks. So look at this. It's got a nice, big, tall thing here, and look at that. It goes way up high, and it's nice and tight. It's got a grip on there, so I'll be able to wear my boots or my snow boots and stuff without them all, everything getting punched back in there. I like it the way it has the, I think I put them on the wrong foot. It's got the, oh, maybe not. This one here, Randy Son will be on the outside. So let's see. So, and I think I'm usually like a size medium on there. So let me see what I got here. 43L, whatever that means. But I wear like an 8.5 or so. And so this is kind of what it looks like here. I mean, not the most masculine, but I just went for a cute color for my ski boots. But yeah, so how do these look? These look really good. And they're totally gonna stay up, and they're waterproof, which is nice, because if you ever walking around in the yucky snow or something like that, after I take off my boots and I put on my daily stuff, I always end up getting my feet all cold and wet. So these are nice, and they're nice and warm, and they're waterproof. Like when you put them on, it's got a little bit of air inside of it, but it is breathable too. So these are super nice and comfortable. I'm gonna say a thumbs up from me on these for sure.